Hey guys, welcome back to another maths video, and today I am going to help you guys if the first number here doesn't go well with this one. So for example, if we have 6 divided by 57 and 5 is not in the 6 times tables. So we go on to the second one. So what number in the 6 times tables is close to 57? Yes, 6 nines are 54. So once after that we subtract. So we get 3 and 0. So the answer of 57 divided by 6 is 9, remainder 3. I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys next time.